Hello, dear traders, you're watching weekly review of the US stock market on InstаФорекс TV channel with me, Katerina Stikhina. On Friday, the major US stock indexes rose slightly amid data showed that in July the US employers hired more workers than expected. At the same time, the Dow Jones hit a new high. At the end of the Friday trading session, the Nasdaq Composite rose by 0.2% and reached 6,351.56. Still, the Nasdaq lost 0.4% over the week. At the same time, the Dow Jones Industrial Average advanced by 0.3% and closed the week with a new high of 22,092.81. Since the beginning of the year, the Dow Jones Index has closed the week at record highs 34 times. Over the week, the blue chip index climbed by 1.2%. The S&P 500 increased by 0.2% to 2,467.83. The index advanced by 0.2% over the past week. At the industry level, almost all of its sectors grew by the end of the week. The maximum growth was demonstrated by the financial sector. The rally at the stock market was supported by the release of the US labor data. The non-farm payroll in the United States economy increased by 209,000 in July. This figure topped the forecast for the addition of 183,000 new jobs. Meanwhile, the unemployment rate decreased from 4.4% to 4.3% in July, hitting a 16-year high and holding well in line with what markets had early anticipated. Strong labor market data gives the Fed a reason to tighten the monetary policy. GoPro Incorporated shares jumped by 19.3% amid a stronger than expected quarterly report released by the company. On Friday, GoPro managed to show the strongest intraday gain since July 2014. In addition, the shares of White Watchers International soared by 25% amid strong statistics that topped the market forecasts. Meanwhile, Viacom shares fell by 14% after the release of quarterly reports. At the same time, the share price of automatic data processing that operates in the field of business consulting rose by 1%. ADP reported that Pershing Square Capital Management, owned by well-known investor Bill Ackman, seeks to gain control over the company's board of directors. You are watching US stock market review on ИнстаФорекс TV channel with me, Katerina Stikhina. Have a profitable deals with ИнстаФорекс.